Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now today's video is quite an exciting one because it is something that I have been thinking about doing for a little bit, and also because you guys keep asking me to do a video for smaller YouTubers or those who want to start a YouTube channel or those who want to grow their channel, and I always feel like I'm not the best person to give advice to smaller YouTubers. I'm doing like this because I consider myself also to be a smaller YouTuber. But anyways, this video is going to be about tips and tricks I think you can actually use to grow your channel or start a channel, or just basic advice for smaller YouTubers. So now if this is something you would like to see, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the very first thing I would say is start with a good camera slash phone, okay, whatever you have. Now I would love to say start with what you have, but guys, this is 2021. As a matter of fact, we are literally like 3 months plus away from 2022, and we are no longer just starting with what we have, guys. Everybody is drawn to visuals. YouTube is such a visual platform that if you come across a video that the quality is not good, you watching me would click out of that video, don't lie. So why would you also want to start with something that the quality is not good? I feel like if you want to start a YouTube channel, or if you are already creating content but you want to upgrade your content, it is time for you to invest in something good. I'm not saying something expensive. I mean, there are phones that are less than 50k that have good quality, okay? So it just depends on your budget, more or less. But I feel like with a good budget you can get something that is affordable, but yes, the quality is good. So start with a good camera, start with a good phone that has good quality, whatever it is that you can afford, okay? But the key thing here is starting with something good. All right, so the next thing I would say is do your research. I feel like people ask questions in my comments sometimes, oh, how do I start a YouTube channel? That is like the number one thing that you can easily find on YouTube here. You forget that YouTube is actually a search engine where you can actually search for whatever questions that you might have. Just type how to start a YouTube channel and you would see 1 million plus videos on how to start a YouTube channel. And the fun fact is that most of these videos are giving you the same or similar tips and tricks to starting a YouTube channel. So it's not even enough to go and type in my comments or ask me my DMs. These things are readily available to you. Google is your friend, guys. Google is your friend. Use it, okay? Do your research. How to grow my YouTube channel, how to upgrade, anything you want is here on YouTube. Just do your research. Next thing I would say is plan your content and stick to an upload schedule. Yes, you definitely have to plan your content in advance. Like this video, for instance, I have already outlined my points before, like 2 days before I'm filming this video, and for each point I know what I want to say. So these points are acting as a reminder for me now to film this video. So before you go ahead and film any kind of video, or especially when it comes to sit down videos, plan your content. Even when it comes to vlogs, plan your content. You can never ever go wrong with planning your content, guys. And if you have not started doing this already, find an upload schedule that works for you, whether it's once a week, whether it's twice a week, on what particular days. That way your audience will always know that on so and so day at so and so time this person is going to have a video going up on YouTube. It keeps you accountable, one, and it keeps your subscribers glued to your channel too. So if you don't have one already, devise a good upload schedule and stick to it, okay? So the next point I'm going to be leaving here is understand your audience and what they want. This was a very big mistake I made when I first started YouTube. I was doing things that I wanted, because when I started doing YouTube, it was more about beauty content. So most of my videos were tutorials, and I mean, come on, fun, upcoming YouTuber. Do you know how many tutorials are on YouTube? Do you know how many tutorials that you will not be the first to do a black smoky eye. You will not be the first to do a red lip. It's everywhere on YouTube. So you have to understand what your audience like. I keep telling people when they reach out to me to, go through their channel and see what they're doing wrong, the first thing I always do is go to your most popular video. Whatever video has gotten you the most views is what you should stick to doing. period. Okay, if your most popular video on YouTube is a tutorial, then your audience might love you for your tutorial. Stick to doing that. If your most popular video is a vlog, stick to vlogging. If it is a random whatever, a how-to video, stick to doing that. I feel like try and give your audience what they want, not what you want. Okay, it's very, very, very important. In my own case, I know that when it comes to my channel, my audience love my vlogs. And if you notice, guys, I've been doing less of sit-down videos and more of vlogs. It's for a reason, because my audience love my vlogs, love my, whole vlogging concept and everything. They love to watch that. So what did I do? I stuck to doing more vlogs. Now, that doesn't mean I don't even do sit-down videos. I do sit-down videos, but I try to make them as interesting as possible. So I've stuck to doing hauls as sit-down videos, or get ready with me's, or maybe like highly requested sit-down videos is what I would do. But doing a random sit-down video, you won't catch me doing that. It has to be either highly requested, a haul, or money, because people also hear about money. Okay, so a video that is focused on money, exactly. So that's it. Stick to what your audience wants to see. The next point would be start vlogging if you have not already started vlogging. Why? Because I feel like we have gone past the era of YouTube being just a beauty platform or a fashion platform. A lot of people are delving into lifestyle, and by lifestyle I mean more of vlogs. So people want to see, who are you behind the makeup? Who are you behind the clothes? What is your family like? How is your, people are nosy, okay? So they want to know a lot about you and you're behind the scenes. If you have not started vlogging, start vlogging. I feel like vlogs for me is what took my channel to the next level. My vlogs. A lot of people who are in the diaspora like to watch vlogs from people who are in Nigeria because they miss home and they want to have a feel of what it's like to, be at home, even if they are all the way there. Okay, so start vlogging if you have not started vlogging. All right, the next thing I want to say is share your content everywhere. Don't be shy, don't be ashamed. It's your work. Promote it anywhere. WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is. Share your content everywhere. Share to your family, share to your friends. Let your friends share to their own friends. And I feel like the wider your reach is as regards your videos or your channel, the more people would actually click on those links and go and see, what is this person even doing? Yes, so share your content shamelessly. Everywhere you can, share it. The next thing is jump on trends or create viral worthy content. By jumping on trends, I mean like here on YouTube, even though like for a while now I haven't really seen like a major trend going on YouTube, but yes, there are times when we actually have trends that we jump on. So jump on trends, especially when they are just starting. That is the time to jump on them. Jump on trends. You have the likelihood of going viral if you jump on trends early enough. And yes, create viral worthy content. So use viral worthy titles, use viral worthy thumbnails, not clickbaits. There's a difference between the two. Not clickbaits, all right? Use viral worthy thumbnails, viral worthy titles for your videos, and allow the algorithm do its work. All right, so that's it. It's very, very important, guys. Instead of saying Shein fashion try on haul, say massive. Even if it's not that massive, at least, okay, let it be massive small, but say massive or huge Shein try on haul 2021, or I spent so amount of money on Shein, blah blah blah. Just try and coin your title in a way that anybody that sees the title and sees the thumbnail will want to click. That's the whole point. Next thing is engage with your audience. There is nothing as sweeter for your audience than when you engage with them. For me, it has been very, very difficult keeping up with comments and all of that, but there are days that I dedicate like 2 hours or 3 hours to just replying comments on my channel, and I feel like it makes your audience feel closer to you, even when they may not be that close to you in person, but it makes them feel closer to you and it makes them feel important. Okay, it shows your appreciation to your audience for watching your content. So I feel like it is very, 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 very important. Give a like, give a heart, anything, but just engage with your audience. And they ask you a question, respond, okay? If you don't want to respond in the comments, do a video for them, but engage with your audience. Next thing is stop doing sub for sub. By sub for sub, I mean subscribe for subscribe. I see this going on a lot with smaller YouTubers when they send DMs or comments on each other's channel and say, oh, subscribe to my channel and I'll subscribe to your own channel. It doesn't work. It does not work, and your fellow, smaller YouTubers will not be the ones to grow your channel for you. Okay, stop doing sub for sub. Even if someone should actually subscribe to your channel today, they can actually unsubscribe tomorrow, even without your knowledge. So doing sub for sub is not a sure way of growing your channel. If you're doing it, don't do it anymore. It's not going to help your channel, okay? In the long run, it's not going to help you at all. And then last but not least, be consistent. This is like the most cliche thing every YouTuber will tell you. Consistency pays, okay? When you are trying to draw up an upload schedule for yourself, also remind yourself that the easiest way to grab people's attention on YouTube or any other platform in general is to show up. Be consistent, always be there, be in people's faces, don't let them rest. The moment they are watching your last video, in the next 2 days, drop another video. Always be in their faces, always be consistent. You have a higher chance of growing your channel exponentially by doing that, or even going viral by doing that. So be very consistent. All right, so yeah, those are all the tips I feel I have for smaller YouTubers, in quotes, or anybody that is looking to actually grow their channel. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, leave me a comment down below, subscribe, share, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.